Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. If you're not a subscriber yet, I'd love for you to click the subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. When you do this, remember to click the bell for all notifications. That way you will be notified on my videos. Also, if you would please support my channel by giving my videos a thumbs up and sharing with others. And leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I do answer all my comments back. Thanks for tuning in, and now let's get into the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be finishing up the rest of the boutonnieres, and these boutonnieres I'm working on here are for the groomsmen and the fathers and the pastor and all those. So I'm going to be working on them, showing you how to put these together here. And just real simple little boutonnieres. They're not going to be as big as like the groom's boutonniere I showed you how to put together. And then I'll show you what they all look like and how they're very similar but different, and everything just matches and coordinates very nicely, but will be different but matches, if that makes any sense, because everything has the same type of stuff in it. So I'm just going to get everything wrapped. I've had to wrap every individual stem. I keep saying that. It's very important. That way everything sticks together. This tape is very sticky, and it just helps hold everything together. So you want to make sure and do that when you make any kind of bouquet or corsage or boutonniere. You have to wrap all these little individual pieces and then put them together and start wrapping them. So that's what takes the longest time, is wrapping all these little, when you cut them, you wrap them before you ever start putting anything together. That takes the longest time. So you just see me sitting here now that I've got everything laid out, and where I'm putting it, I'm just starting to wrap these boutonnieres together. So I'll let you sit here and just watch, and then you'll see everything towards the end, how they're all finished. So I hope you enjoy the video.